Hey there, today I'll tell you how to put a Sephora gift card on the app. Ensure that you have the latest version of the Sephora app installed on your mobile device. You can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. If you don't have a Sephora account, you will need to create one. If you already have an account, sign in using your credentials. Open the Sephora app and look for the section related to gift cards or payments. This is typically found in the app's main menu or settings. In the gift card section, you should find an option to add a gift card or enter gift card details. Choose this option, enter the required information from your Sephora gift card. This usually includes the gift card number and PIN. You can find this information on the physical card or in the email if it's an e-gift card. Review the entered information to ensure accuracy. Once verified, confirm the addition of the gift card to your Sephora account. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to give a like.